Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking a quick look here at Fetch.AI. We're going to see what's going on. Not only do I get a lot of requests for this, but we had a short open previously that should have been closed in profit by now. And congrats on that, of course. But should we short the coin from the outside looking in? Definitely not advisable at this point. We're going to double check a few key factors, but just to clarify, we did take some nice fetch profit. In 22 hours, we hit two targets, 34%. But again, as recommended, you always move your stop loss to break even after you take profits. So you should be all good to go there, having secured 80-90% profit those first few trades. Quick congrats, Injective, AVAX, nice 82-76% there. We also took some nice profit here today with Ocean. That's a short as well, shorting some AI coins, but we're shifting gears here, folks. I don't think we're going to be shorting those right now. Filecoin, 25% in 17 hours. So good stuff there. Let's quickly double check a couple of things. I don't think, does Fetch have, oh yeah, it does. I think we got liquidation levels we can look at here. Quick little heads up too, thanks to my community members for just being awesome. Deeply appreciate my admins as well. Thank you for helping out with the community. And more important too, if you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tag is a site, link down below. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out. So to make it simple here, 3.2 is a heavy concentration liquidation. That one seems like the likely target at this point, with a lot of positions here between 2.2 and 2.4. In other words, we're in the middle of liquidation levels on both sides, but the price having broken through this most recent high looks like it really wants to break this $3 range and run towards 3.2, 3.4. So it seems likely at this point that's a probability, but let's go ahead and double check a few key factors first. So let's go ahead and see here, pull up some new fibs, and just double check our daily time frame, work our way down. So with the daily time frame, it's not going to be, I mean, you see a straight line up. We're not going to be retesting these moving averages for a while. So that tells us we're still bullish, but it's, the price could pull back like 50% and still be bullish, right? Generally speaking, that's the concept. However, the way that these coins had behaved regarding how Bitcoin pulled back, they're doing very well. So again, the fact that they stabilized and held the line very strong and didn't pull back is a testament here. Look at this, Fetch.AI, Ajax, they're both high percent trades right now. In other words, they're recovering nicely, and that's a good sign. Typically, coins that hold the line when Bitcoin pulls back are coins you want to consider investing in. We're still above 70 RSI, still got good money flow index, and stochastic swinging down. This does imply another swing to the upside soon could happen, which is kind of already happening, honestly. But regardless of that fact, we have no real bearish signs here. Again, you could stretch it out and say, hey, the RSI is coming down closer to 70, that's bearish sign. No, we're still over 70, still good. Do not consider shorting this coin right now. Okay. Furthermore, to clarify as well here on the 4 hour, we're back up above both moving averages. That's extremely bullish. To me, personally, I like to be over all moving averages in the 4 hour when I have, confluence, so to speak. We can see money flow index plateauing right there at about 50. That's standard considering the price just pulled back a couple of hours ago. We can also see money flow index, RSI and stochastic swinging up here, and we're not even close to 70 yet, so there's a lot more room to grow. Okay, MACD is converging here as well. We haven't seen a convergence like this in a while, but last time MACD converged, this is what happened. Okay, so strong stuff happening here for this coin. I think Fetch.AI has a lot of potential to swing upwards further. At this point, has a lot of momentum, but again, Bitcoin dropped out and has since recovered back to the 70,500 mark. So a lot of shorts are getting destroyed right now, the late shorts. All that factors in here a little bit, but again, the fact of the matter is here, this coin is performing extremely well, contrary to that sell-off. Okay? I'm slightly surprised we didn't take any more profit on this coin based on the fact that the price action was trying to come down here, but never came any lower than 252. It's really cool. So that's a testament to how strong it is. Speaking of which, strength, we can see we are back up over the cloud, conversion lines above the baseline, lagging spans free and clear. Zero reasons to consider shorting this coin, folks. All the more reason to lean towards a long. Now, do you jump into a long right now? Just like we tried to jump into a trade with Ajax. Take a look at this here. Ajax, we sent a signal, try to get in at 1.24. Price continued to run. 15 minutes later, we hit our target. Okay. Now, we didn't take profit because we didn't get filled, but generally speaking, that's what's happening with Fetch too. So if you jump in right now, it could continue to run, but it may also pull back a little bit before it legs up again too. So again, me personally, when the coins run like this, I just kind of wait it out, even if it isn't really in my favor, and just look for a better entry. So a good entry, honestly, would be back here about 282, upwards of 290 is a better case scenario. That little range there, between 0.5 and 0.618. because we're approaching this 0.618 level here, or we're within that golden pocket, and that's commonly a rejection zone. So it's more common for the price to kind of reject out and bounce off the more recent fib levels to continue higher from there than it would be to continue further up. Again, stranger things can happen, but I would say just a little bit of patience here might pay off. But again, entry between 280 and 290 is a round numbers there for you, I think would be a solid consideration. So Fetch.AI looking very strong here, folks. There's no reason to bet against this coin right now. Most AI coins are doing really well. So I hope that made sense. I described that correctly. Thank you so much for watching. You can trade this coin and all other AI coins on Bitunix. Phenomenal exchange. Our community loves them. Link down below, no KYC or VPN required. That's why we use them in the States and Canada. So they've been really good to us. Thank you so much, Bitunix. They're also offering a trading competition. We just need 30 people to register. Really simple, folks. You click the link below, you hit enroll now, and you're ready to go. You don't have to do anything different. Just trade like you normally do between the 28th and the 11th, and you'll get some pretty solid benefits regarding a P&L ratio, trading volume, and of course, 10 people are drawn at random to get a $400 bonus there. So cool stuff. Check them out, folks. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.